It's the end of the month and the weekend. I'ma spend this check, everything on me, yeah. I'ma tip myself, I'ma spend it on myself. I'ma drop it like it's pouring, I'ma pour it on myself. Check, 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 check the money making bank account number. That's that shit that's never getting bounced on your bitch. I do the money dance, I just made 100 bands. When the stars say sign for it, I'ma leave my autograph. Dollar bills, watch it falling for me. I love the way that feels. Dollar bills, keep on falling for me. I love the way it feels. I came here to drop some money, dropping all my money. Drop some money, all this stuff so yummy, yeah. Twerking, when I buy the things I like.
Hi, I'm excited. I'm picking up my bag right now, so this is very exciting.
Look at this!
Oh my god!
This is for you. It even matches her dress.
Wow, thank
Yeah.
you.
Here is your new bag.
Wow, I never had a balloon
Isn't it
gift like
cute?
this in my life.
We just want to say thank you.
Oh,
Yeah.
that is so sweet.
Yeah.
And oh my god, this is the bag.
Yeah, I'm so excited. I even bring mine. We just
Yeah,
want to
I
be
know,
twins.
we're gonna be twinning,
Yes,
so
yes.
I'm gonna unbox this right
Yes,
now.
yes. Okay, let's
Yeah,
put
oh,
it
and
together.
we
Right here.
have. Oh my god, this is super exciting. This had to travel from New York because they don't have anymore anywhere in the country. And yes, this bag. Oh, I think you have an idea already what this is, but I'm gonna just unbox it here right now because I cannot wait. And I want to take picture with Christy.
Yay!
We're gonna be twinning. So, oh, let's see. Drop the
thank you note.
thank you note. Yeah, wow. So it comes with the receipt, of course, and the price is actually all total with the tax are all my lucky numbers. So,
Oh.
so this is really cool. It's quite a lucky bag for me.
It's going to be. I love.
Oh, this is really me. I think this is love at first sight. I did not need to ask friends if I should get this. I thought I was gonna get it for Christmas, but when I saw it that day, I went home and I said, man, that bad, all night. Then I woke up. I said, I gotta text Christy. I gotta let her know, and she told me it was they have it in New York, and so I have to wait.
That's
for
the
like-
only one too.
Yeah, only
Yes.
one
Mhm.
left. I don't know how many recently they made all over the world. This one,
They don't make over 30.
oh, not over 30.
Yeah, mhm.
Yeah. All right, so this time I'm not gonna tease you. The dust bag is here, of course. Oh my god, I can feel it already. Wow, this is so special for me because this is going to be my bag that I'm taking with me to my Dr. Zonna channel. I will be filming my first video next week, and so
Congratulations!
thank
Can't wait to
you.
see
Yes,
it.
I want to do it because I feel like it's about time for me
Yeah.
to help heal the world. You know, everyone has cell phones and they can understand English all over the world, and they don't have enough medical help. So
Yeah.
I think it's time for me to get out there and do something. I don't know where it's going to take me, but I want to do it. And oh my god! Oh, I really love the smell of
Yeah.
the new bag.
Yes.
I love new. Oh.
We keep it freshly from the box for you.
Yeah, wow, with all the, wow. Oh, are you excited? Wow. Bon Voyage.
Exactly. You pronounce it exactly right.
Yes, this is the Voyage bag, and yes, this is actually really a Bon Voyage for me. Good luck for my new journey, and this is going to be my YouTube Dr. Zonna bag and my realtor bag as well, because it can go with both of my profession. And yes, if you want to know the details of this bag, Christy explained it very well on my video before this, so you might want to check it out. Right now I'm just gonna show it to you, and we're going to wear it outside. I'm gonna take pictures with Christy and have fun.
So fun.
Thank you. And what size is this? PM or
There's
MM?
only one size. It's
And
only
this
one
is
size.
PM, right?
Yes. Mhm.
PM. Yeah, so this is actually the size that I don't have. So perfect, because my purple Mona bag is already MM.
Yes,
Yeah.
that one is MM with the gold hardware, and this is the PM.
Yeah, and look at this.
Isn't it cute? Oh my goodness.
Wow. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm addicted to the smell. And it's made in France. I love made in France. Made in France. And let's hear again how it closes. Oh wow.
Ooh, one more time.
One more time. Wow.
Ooh.
It's like an expensive car. Wow. Mona is just heaven to me.
I love
And-
how you describe it. It's like an expensive car.
Yeah, it's like luxury to the max. You know, I'm very picky and I just don't spend money like that. But when I see something I know I'm gonna love for a long time, I would do it.
This is an investment.
Yeah, investment, definitely. And this one, look at the lock on the side. You can close and open it. So this is nice. You can stretch the bag actually, and it's box leather, but oh my god. I like that it's a PM size.
Yeah.
Yeah. I didn't even bother to ask the size because I just really love it. And let's show the strap. Look at this beauty. Look at all the details of this. Wow. All the 24 karat plating and palladium. Wow, I think this is my most special bag right now besides the little suitcase. These are my two favorite toys right
All
now.
of your bags are so special because you understand the history. There
Yes.
is always a story behind every single bag.
Yes. And Mona is, the name is like, Mona sounds like money.
Oh yes, right. That's
And
right.
it has all the letters of money. And the gold coin, of course. I love to collect 24K coins, and so and my cake for my bridal was cake with coins.
Ooh.
Yeah. I will add a clip in here. It was 5 years ago, and I have gold coins in my cake for my shower at the Ritz-Carlton.
That's so cool.
So it has, I don't know, I just like the shine. Yeah, I like it. It's quite minimalist, but like it's a head turner. Like if I would wear this, I think girls would be like, and then like, what's that bag? So this is, and actually Mona bag, when you look at it on Instagram, sometimes you have to look at it closely again and again, and then you kind of feel like, curious, but then there's just so many bags out there, and then you kind of forget about it, you know, if you don't, because I like to read about history, about people that are very successful. I always like to read how they got there, and even with the brands. So I'm always very curious in that, because I apply it to my own life. You know, I make them as my inspiration. And really, Mona is a special brand by itself, owned by its owner, and it's not with the LVMH. So I feel that there has some special thing going on, and I know that they'll be making really quality bags that could last for years, and they have great SA. And so I think I found the right house for me. I'm not paid or anything. I'm just talking from my own experience and my own observations. We all are very busy. We work so hard, and when we go out have fun, we want to go to a house where, you know, you buy a very expensive bag and you want to feel at home, and you want to talk to nice people, beautiful girls, welcoming and a good vibe. So these are all very important to me, and that would bring the character to the bag, and you start to like the bag more. But really, the quality, the craftsmanship, you really have to come to the boutique. When you see the bags in person, even the video would show you, but it's a different feeling when you actually meet it in person. You're really gonna be like, oh wow, you know, like it's just so different. So
It's like clothing. You never know when you try on.
yeah. So it's a lot of curiosity with this brand, and
Yeah.
so I think that's it.
Like big. Like big. 착한 얼굴에 그렇지 못한 듯.
Oh wow, that's so cute.
Yeah, it's called the college.
Wow. Well, I'm curious about that Mimosa Flory bag.
Oh, it's right here.
Let's have her feature. Wow.
That's that shit that's never getting bounced on your bitch. I do the money dance. I just made 100 bands. When the star says sign for it, I'ma leave my autograph. Dollar bills, watch it falling for me. I love the way that feels. Dollar bills, keep on falling for me. I love the way it feels. I came here to drop some money, dropping all my money. Drop some money, all this stuff so yummy, yeah. Twerking when I buy the things I like. Dollars dropping on my ass tonight.
Drop some money, dropping all my money. Drop some money, all this stuff so yummy, yeah.